Happy Independence Day. Today is the 15th of August, and how our forefathers have worked to get us here. The troubles that they went through, the pressures that they went through, and the different kind of things that they had to really face to help us be free today. What do you think we should do to honor them? What do you think will be the right thing to do so that they feel honored in every which way? Understanding that the immense pressures that they went through in their lives allowed them to live with those pressures, to sustain themselves, and to emerge the diamonds, a true blue diamond. So do you know that what a diamond is? Yes, we do. We know that it's pressurized carbon. At the same time, what is it that makes a diamond valuable? Have you ever heard of the 4 C's that help a diamond be valued? What is the worth of a diamond depends on the 4 C's. They are color, cut, clarity, and carat. These are the 4 C's that help a diamond be immensely valuable. A blue diamond will have a different rate, a yellow diamond will have a different. The clarity will say something else, its cut will tell you something else, and of course the color. Understanding this, what are the 4 C's in your life? Or let me put it the other way around. Do you wish to be a diamond? I am a diamond. Are you? Would you like to be one? I'm sure we all do. And what is it that would help us be one? So let's check on what the 4 C's mean to us in our lives. Let me think. Color. Color is, of course, undoubtedly not the color of your skin. It is the words that you speak, the emotions that you hold, and the way you speak them. Your tone of voice, that is one thing, and the other part would be the sensibility of it all. Understanding that if you had to go or are going through an exceedingly emotional time, take your head with you. Be practical about it. The other way around, if you've got to take an extremely intellectual decision, take a little bit of your heart with you. The combination works wonders, and it gives you a sense of having a good color. And of course, the most important thing in communication would be your tone of voice. How are you saying it? To whom are you saying it? And with what intent are you saying it? That, my dear young friends, would mean color. Then let's talk about carat. Carat is not the weight or the kilograms that you have on your body. It's about the weight you have for your word, the integrity that you hold. What and why is integrity so important? If I commit to something, my partner, my students, they know that I'm going to do it. They know that I will be there. If I give a time to someone, I be there at that time. My word has value to me. My word is important to me. And that is what everyone sees. And they understand that this lady is a lady of her word. That is my weight. And I weigh myself well. I weigh my words also well. I know what to speak, to whom to speak, and how to speak it. That all understand is by the weight, the carat of a diamond. That is the carat, the weightage. So we've talked about color and we've talked about carat. Now let's come to cut and clarity. So clarity is the transparency that you would hold, and cut is the understanding of you have of the whole world of yourself. So let's talk about cut first. It is about what cloth are you cut from. So what have you learned from the elders and parents and teachers of your life up to this age? And what have you learned from your books too? And what are you doing with what you have learned? You have got knowledge or you've got information. Are you translating it into knowledge and wisdom? That is for you to check as far as your cut is concerned. You should know where you are coming from and where you are going. And then let's understand the word clarity. So जैसे बोलते हैं कि चांद पे भी दाग है, similarly every diamond, or rather most diamonds, will have a teeny mini minuscule dark particle within it, deeply embedded, and it's not really seen by the naked eye. This particular flaw is what also helps in keeping us grounded. So if I were very, very perfect and I held that image within me, I would ignore that little flaw and I would say, no, I don't have any flaws. But with the clarity that I hold, I say that yes, I do have flaws and I'm not hiding them, but I'm aware of them and I try to enhance them into something good. And because I know myself very well, I understand that clarity and transparency are the key words in understanding who I be as a person. So understanding that these four words are what makes a true blue diamond, we come back to the question, am I a diamond? Yes. Are you a diamond? Yes. Are you willing to be one? Yes. Why not? This is what we understand about the whole diamonds and being a diamond and the 4 C's. Isn't it wonderful? I'm going to ask you another question. What would you like to be? Perfect or excellent? So when we talk of the word perfect, it's imperative that we look at the imperfections. We look at everything that is not perfect and try to make it perfect. Whereas if I were to talk about the word excellent, so excellent is a strive to be the best version of myself. There is no comparison. There is no one else that I wish to see. I am only looking at how can I be the best version of myself time and time and time again. And that, my friends, is the key word to understanding that even if I have to be a diamond, I'm going to be the best version of myself. I can. Do you promise to be you? Do you promise to be the best version you can be for yourself without comparisons, without looking at the right and left? You just bloom and blossom just like a flower. And that is your absolute way of looking at yourself and understanding that you are the best. And you can be the best also. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day once again. And I love you all. Any questions are always welcome. Thank you.